Today's regulatory update on the Philippines will cover the new draft on IVD regulation, including the list of registrable IVDs. Under the previous scheme, both medical devices and IVD devices were subject to the same regulations. However, under the new scheme, certain IVD devices will be regulated separately. Certain devices that belong to the list of registrable IVDs are subject to have a performance evaluation by the FDA Common Services Laboratory and are required to obtain a certificate of product registration. In addition, certain COVID-19 test kits that have complied with local requirements and which previously only required emergency use authorization are now required to obtain a certificate of product registration. These are the list of registrable IVDs according to the FDA Circular 005 issued in 2014. If you are looking to register your patents, consider License Sale, our global medtech registration system for fast and easy market access. Under the new registration scheme, non-registrable IVDs will remain under the same regulations as medical devices, while registrable IVDs will be regulated separately and must obtain a certificate of product registration. You must note which category your IVD devices fall under before applying for a product registration. This is the list from FDA Common Services Laboratory, which includes the type of IVD devices they can accept for testing. These are the legal requirements for the application of IVD notification for Class A and IVD registration for Class B, C, and D. The LOA and copy of registration certificate from the country of origin must be authenticated or apostilled by the Philippine consulate, while the attestation letter only requires notarization. These are the technical requirements for IVD registration for Class A, C, and D. In the executive summary, you must include information such as device overview, marketing history, regulatory approval, and important safety and performance-related information. Under the design verification and validation, you must include information such as performance evaluation test, stability, sterilization, clinical evidence, software verification and validation, electrical safety and electromagnetic compatibility, cybersecurity evaluation, etc. The implementation of a new registration scheme will be done in two phases. The first is to register all registrable or non-registrable IVD devices. Second, the notification for Class B, C, and D non-registrable IVD devices will be ceased, and a registration will be required instead. Once the new registration scheme is implemented, a certificate of product registration is required for a COVID-19 test kit. In the meantime, emergency use authorization will remain issued, but it will be replaced by CPR after the EUA expires. CPR application for currently approved EUA must be applied 6 months before the EUA expiry date. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the Contact Us page on our website for an Arazi Group office near you. Follow Arazi Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory, as well as the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.